Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome all of my friends and students for environmental classes. Today's class is for the 11th, and the topic that we are going to discuss is the description about the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. But in today's topic, we are going to discuss only biosphere and lithosphere. Let us start with the first, that is biosphere. So this biosphere, it is defined as the living place of an organism. Biosphere is defined as a living place of an organism or a place where an organism lives. ये जो biosphere है ये living place of an organism है या ये वो space है जहाँ पे एक organism रहता है, ठीक है। तो ये जो organisms होते हैं it includes plants, animals and microorganisms including the man. So all living things, including man, share the same ultimate living space, which is called as biosphere. इसको हम biosphere कहते हैं. So ये जो biosphere है, it's an abstract space made of 3 large earthy parts. तो ये जो हमारा biosphere है, it's an abstract space which is made of 3 large earthy spheres, that is lithosphere, हाइड्रोस्फीयर एंड एटमॉस्फेयर, ठीक है। अब जो ये बायोस्फीयर है इट इज़ बिलीव्ड टू बी ओरिजिनेटेड अबाउट 4.6 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो. द एज ऑफ द बायोस्फीयर इज बिलीव्ड टू बी 4.6 मिलियन ईयर्स एगो. एंड ये जो बायोस्फीयर है इसकी मतलब जो एक्सटेंट और द लिमिट्स क्या है. तो सबसे पहला जो लिमिट अगर हम सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ की बात करेंगे, फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ इनटू द सॉइल, इसकी जो डेप्थ है जहाँ पे लाइफ एग्जिस्ट होती है दैट इज़ 3 मीटर्स. तो 3 मीटर तक ज़मीन में ये लाइफ हो सकती है. इसी के हिसाब से जो अगर हम एयर की बात करेंगे तो फ्रॉम द सरफेस ऑफ द क्रस्ट अप टू द इनटू द एटमॉस्फेयर इट इज़ नियरली अबाउट 30 मीटर्स. अप टू द 30 मीटर्स लाइफ कुड एग्जिस्ट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. सिमिलरली in case of oceans about 200 meters life can exist up to 200 meters. So this was all about the biosphere. Now we are going to take up the another one that is called as lithosphere. As far as the litho, it is refers to the rocks or the soil. Litho means rocks or soil. So as the as the name indicates, lithosphere means the earthy part of our planet. It is an earthy part of our planet. जो हमारा planet अर्थ है इसका जो earthy part है this includes the lithosphere. तो ये जो lithosphere है it includes the crust. It includes the crust, that is the surface of the earth, and this constitutes about 0.4% of our planet's mass. जो हमारा planet है इसका ये जो क्रस्ट है इट इंक्लूड्स 0.4% ऑफ आवर प्लैनेट्स मास. जो हमारे प्लैनेट का मास है क्रस्ट इंक्लूड्स ओनली 0.4%, ठीक है. तो ये जो क्रस्ट है इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? क्योंकि इट प्रोवाइड्स द स्पेस फॉर आवर सर्वाइवल. क्योंकि ये जो लिथोस्फीयर है इट प्रोवाइड्स स्पेस फॉर our survival. ये जो lithosphere है it provides the space for our survival, so it is very important. As it provides the space for our survival. Not only the space, it also provides the appropriate conditions and factors which are necessary for the survival. So it provides appropriate conditions. It provides appropriate conditions and factors which are essential for survival. So this lithosphere, it is important one as it provides the conditions and factors which are essential for the survival of our life. क्योंकि ये जो लिथोस्फीयर है ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पोर्शन है, क्योंकि ये हमें वो कंडीशंस और फैक्टर्स देता है जिससे हम सर्वाइवल मेंटेन कर सकें. तो ये जो लिथोस्फीयर है it provides us resources such as water, air, fossil fuels, minerals, ores and food. तो ये जो लिथोस्फीयर है ये हमें बहुत कुछ देता है. ये इट इज द source of water, air, fossil fuels, mineral, ores and food. Moreover, it provides the space for our shelter. It also provides space for our shelter. So this lithosphere, it is important one as it provides all the necessary conditions which are important for our survival of life. Hope my dear friends you have understood it. In the next video we are going to discuss about the hydrosphere and atmosphere. Thank you my dear friends for watching me.